I find, hey, as you look for different outlets, and I'm not afraid to go down the YouTube rabbit hole. Boy, that's a godsend. YouTube is a godsend. I found so many games and music concerts, things like that, old interviews. I found some really, really good USFL football that I watched a good 5 to 10 minutes of. But we all had things this weekend where we don't normally do. Whether you trash talk kids on Xbox, and Xbox isn't fond of that happening, you find a way to play Scrabble. And Scrabble, which is probably in everybody's closet for a board game that you're going to play with your family, the Scrabble board that has the slotted squares and that is like a lazy Susan that you can turn, and not the regular board where if you turn it and you turn it too quick, the pieces get out of line. You have to deal with that. I played Scrabble this weekend. I had to explain to somebody what the game that is going on in basketball that's being shown on like the NBA Network or ESPNU, what a basketball court was like when it didn't have three-point lines. Like, for example, up at the Pentagon in Sioux Falls, their main court has 4 different three-point lines. The courts in Lincoln have 3 lines. When you play the high school tournament there, you got the high school 3, you got the women's 3, you got the men's 3. Watching the replay of the Georgetown, North Carolina game, it was actually just a run of Georgetown games. To see a basketball court that does not have three-point lines and then try and explain that to somebody that has always lived a basketball life that has three-point lines. I failed in that aspect. Yes, I did. So we changed our behavior over the weekend, but we don't change on this program. Glad to have you in. We'll continue to inform you on everything that is going on in our community. We'll comfort you, and we will make you laugh, because that's what we do. But most importantly, in this community, as things get a little bit rougher and we have to adjust, and we will, because we are Omaha, we are Nebraska, we take care of each other. It was very comforting today to hear a story about some local high school kids who, they're out of school. They're looking to help in any way they can. Instead of sitting at home playing video games, they went and picked up groceries for an elderly citizen. Went and picked up the groceries, left it on their doorstep, and then went about their business. So, in that case, and there's a lot of different things that people are doing, and people are going to need our help. So we want to, in this run of positivity,